Hi everyone. Let's see how to balance this equation in acidic medium. So first thing is we need to identify the oxidation state of each element present here. So I'll show you one. In this one, let us consider Mn as X. Then X plus 4 oxygens. So 4 into 4 oxygen we will take minus 2 is equal to the charge. The charge is minus 1. So x minus 4 to the 8 is equal to minus 1, which is x is equal to minus 1 plus 8. So x is plus 7. So here the oxidation of Mn is plus 7. Here also oxygen is minus 2 into 2 minus 4. If we transpose it, it will become plus 4. Right, and this one for a single element, its charge is only its oxidation, and here sulfur will take X plus oxygens 4 plus hydrogen is only 1, and hydrogen oxidation is plus 1 is equal to total charge minus 1. X minus 8 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. X minus 7 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus 6. So this oxidation state is plus 6. Now Mn here the positive charge is reducing, so this is a reduction reaction. So obviously the other one is oxidation reaction. So we'll take half of the reaction is reduction, other half is oxidation. So we'll take oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction separately. So for oxidation we have this one, SO2 gives rise to HSO4 minus, and for reduction we have MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn+². First is balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen. First step is balancing other than oxygen and hydrogen. Here how many other than oxygen and hydrogen we have only sulfur. It is already balanced, one sulfur and one sulfur, so I'll write it as it is. Here also Mn and Mn is balanced, only one Mn, so I'll write it as it is. O4 minus gives rise to Mn+². Now next step is balancing oxygen atoms. How many oxygens do we have here? 4 and here 2. So for acidic medium we need to add H2O. To get oxygen we need to add H2O in acidic medium. So here only 2, here we have 4, so this side will add H2O. SO2 plus how many? 2 H2O gives rise to HSO4 minus. Now here how many we have? 4. Here we have no oxygens, so here we have to add MnO4 minus Mn+² plus how many? 4 H2Os. Now we need to balance what is left over. Sulfur completed, oxygen completed. We need to balance hydrogen atoms. So here if you observe we have 2 2s of 4 hydrogens, here only 1. So this side we need more 3 hydrogens. That's why here I'll add. So remember that for acidic medium to get hydrogen we need to add H+. Only for acidic medium H+. So SO2 plus 2 H2O. Here we have 4. Here we need to add HSO4 minus how many? 4, 1 more 3 we need, so 3 H+. Okay, now here we do not have any hydrogens, but here we have 4 to the 8 hydrogens, so we'll add 8 hydrogens plus 8 H plus Mn+² plus 4 H2O. Now next step is balancing charges. Now here we'll see what is the oxidation of SO2 in this. +4. 2 to the 4 -4 transpose +4. But here HSO4 minus we have +6. That means this plus charge is more. So here we need more 2 electrons. SO2 plus 2 H2O gives rise to HSO4 minus plus 3 H plus. We need more, how many? We need 2 electrons. +4 +6. If I add 2 electrons, +5 and +4. And here for this we have +7 and for this one we have +2. So here I need more 5. This is +2, this is +7. If I add 5 electrons, if I add negative charges, it will become +2. So I need 5 electrons. 8H plus 5 electrons here, and this one as it is. 4H2O. Now we need to equalize the charges. How many we have here? 12. Here how many we have? 5. So this one will multiply by 5. This one will multiply by 2. This 2 electrons here will multiply. This 5 electrons here will multiply. So it will become 5SO2 plus 5 2s are 10H2O. Gives rise to 5HSO4 minus plus 3 5s are 15H plus 5 2s are 10 electrons. And here multiply this one by 2. 2 MnO4 minus plus 2 i's are 16H plus 2 5s are 10 electron. 2 Mn plus 2 plus 4 2s are 8 H2O. Now we will add oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. So what is oxidation half? This one, 5SO2 plus 10H2O gives rise to 5HSO4 minus plus 15H plus 10 electron. Reduction is MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10 electrons gives rise to 2Mn+2 plus 8H2O. Now here you see same side we will add, but since these two are opposite side, we'll subtract. So 10 minus 10, here we have 10H2O, 8H2O. So 10 minus 8, 2H2O will be remaining here. Still I don't, here 15H plus, here 1H plus will be remaining. 16 minus 15, 1. And I don't think we can cancel anything else. So now same side we'll add 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 SO2 plus 2 H2O plus 1 H plus gives rise to 5 HSO4 minus plus 2 Mn+2. We did not leave anything. Yes. So this is our final balanced equation. This process is for acidic medium. Thank you.